Not Orlando Pirates, not Durban City FC, sanibona bafethu uvane lo. Ngixolise kakhulu ukuzoshaya ivideo ngalesikhathi. Earlier on I did a video but there was a technical issue regarding the noise. Bafethu ngixolise nje kakhulu but ngizokhuluma le game ade siyibona namhlanje. Yabo ayino abantu abaningi badumela, ayino abantu abaningi abaphathekile kahle but ngizokhuluma ama positives nama negatives ale game ade siyibona namhlanje bafethu. Obekwade kuyigame emnandi indlela eyisimanga. Sibuke sonke bafethu igame sibonile indlela Orlando Pirates edlale ngakhona ade udinga u3 points kule game le because bekumele leyo game bayiwine ukuze ke bazoba nezandla ezu2 kwindebe yani na yeBetway Premiership. Njengoba nje beluzile ke kule game ngeke ngisho ukuthi ke abaluzile. Yes, you may say baluzile because they failed to take the 3 points. Ukube bawuthathile u3 points izandla zabo ngabe sezikwindebe yeBetway Premiership. Konke sekulele kwigame yokugcina yeBetway Premiership against the Orbit College. If they fail to win that game, it's either bayadrawa noma bayadliwa, they won't be Betway Premiership champions. So ngizokhuluma nje ngendlela Orlando Pirates edlala ngakhona kule game le against the Durban City FC eyenze kahle kakhulu ukuthi ke imanage ithole ipoint idlala away against the mighty Buccaneers. So ngizoqala nje ngendlela Orlando Pirates approach ngakhona le game le. Yabo. So I will start with the approach. Approach Orlando Pirates kule game le, it is a history of approaches esihlale si approacha ama games omasidelela ama team amancane. I wouldn't say Durban City team encane but in the context of this video Durban City team encane team ephuma kule ezansi ku NFD. Iphuma le ezansi ku NFD Durban City i-team esathanda kuyithola yesiwinile iNedbank Cup but against a team like iOrlando Pirates ebiyenza kahle kakhulu kule season and kwigame ebaluleke kakhulu iOrlando Pirates izo approacha igame ngalendlela le. Lokho yini na ukweyeya i-team enjenge Durban City bebeyeya nje yabo isidingo singekho bebeyidelela indlela eba-approach ngakhona igame namhlanje. Because once ubheke i-starting 11 yabo some will say i-starting 11 bese strong, some will say starting 11 bese ibeyingekho inkinga but ke mina as a person who always watch Orlando Pirates and always analyze the games and see ukuthi ke ikuphi la shota khona ikuphi la better khona, mina ngokwami bengeke ngitshela ukuthi Orlando Pirates igame ebaluleke kakhulu kanje bazoyistarta ngendlela kanje yabo. Back 4, it's the original back 4. Masukuthi ke inkinga ikuphi na? Inkinga isesiswini. Inkinga isesiswini bazo approacha igame enkulu ebalulekile with midfield engakazi idlala ndawonye. Angikhumbuli nala season le midfield le idlala ndawonye kuba na okuSelepe kuba ubani na kuba uMbatha mase kuba uTeto Maswanganye. uSelepe akazi adlale the whole season. Udlalile kwiDDC umfana uyadlala uyalazi ibhola but akazi adlale. So kwigame ekanje okuyigame yokugcina ngci yamakhehleni Makhawula ukuthi ke adlale eOrlando Stadium, icoach akamqalisi uzoqalisa bani na uSelepe. I'm not taking any gems on uSelepe. Selepe is a great player, umjidi uyalazi ibhola but in a game like this you need your best players to finish off the game. After they've finished off the game you put your best players to do what? To play ibhola. Benza into abayaziyo ke. Put these players boboko Selepe second half. Put these players like abo Mbuthuma second half. Sekuyo finish we game. Uqalile with ikhokho zakho zakwazi ukuthi ke bayiqede igame. Bashaya 2-0, 3-0, 4-0 bakwazi ke ibanjwe igame. Faka ko Selepe ke labo ke. Bakwazi badlale kahle. Hayi coach ubone kungcono ukuthi ke siyeye iDurban City. iDurban City kule game le ibingazoli ukuzodlalela lutho. Bebazi kahle ukuthi vele bona sebenaka abanako kumele ba defend nje kuphela because they are not losing anything if they defend or attack. Yabo. So igame plan yabo bigabili, it's either they attack or defend. So they chose to defend kule game le. So imagine choosing to defend against a team like Orlando Pirates efield yabadlala bakanje. I will speak about the situation yabanina ya Tito Maswanganye and Mfokeng. Many people are failing to understand what is going on between Tito Maswanganye and Mfokeng and Oswina Police. I've watched Orlando Pirates kaningi kule season le. I've watched Mfokeng and I've always wanted Mfokeng to play as number 10. Ever since last season, I spoke about Mfokeng being played as number 10. Mfokeng is the guy to play for number 10. ngosikhathi kulimala bani na kulimala uSipho Mbule, we took Mofokeng and we made Mofokeng our primary number 10. uTito Maswanganyi wayelimele ngaleso ikhathi. uMofokeng wathatha intambo zikabani na, wathatha intambo zikaSipho Mbule, elimele uSipho Mbule, samdlalisa as number 10. Ever since uMofokeng besimazi as number 10. Even Hugo Bros wambona ukuthi ke umfana uyashine as number 10. Awuthi ke ngimthathe ngimdlalise as number 10 umjida. Kule game yanamhlanje, ngisho ukuthi kule game yanamhlanje, two previous games, umjida ubengadlali as number 10 uMofokeng. Ubedlala as iwinger. Abantu abaningi bathi uMofokeng asadlali kahle. The reason why uMofokeng asadlali kahle, it's a bittersweet truth, but ke kumele laziwe. uMofokeng the reason why engasadlali kahle as number 10, engasadlali kahle ngoba akasadlali as u10, usedlala as iwinger. That's the reason why uMofokeng engasadlali kahle. That's the reason why uMofokeng asadlali kahle. He is not a winger anymore. He's a wing. Mfethu. Akasadlali kahle because he's not a number 10 anymore. Ucoach umisa ka left kakhulu. Yabo nje bemisa nje ka left, uMofokeng asajwayela ukudlala as winger. Usejwayela ukudlala as number 10. uMofokeng akajwayela ukudlala as winger right now. Usejwayela ukudlala as number 10. I spoke about this coming to this game. I did a video ngasho ukuthi uMofokeng kumele simenze number 10. Bantu baningi bathi haya umthanda uTito. Last game lesiwinile against ibani na, against the team le Magesi. Orlando Pirates scored how many goals? I think it was 3 goals or 2 goals. Ngisakhumbula kahle. Khona le game le yathi sidlala nani futhi yathi sidlala ne Steelers. Abawaskoranga amagoli amaningi. I wanted more goals but asiwakoranga. I noticed something ukuthi ke iOrlando Pirates uma idlalisa abani uTito Maswanganyi as number 10, we don't create amagoli amaningi. Yabo, we don't create more goals. We don't score goals if we starting with uTito Maswanganyi as number 10. uTito Maswanganyi is that kind of player okwazi ukuyiholder down in midfield, akwazi ukuthi ayipolice game masishisa kakhulu. He's that kind of midfielder. He's a very very talented number 10. But when you are comparing him with uMofokeng is not that number 10 othenayo aphasa ibhola emuva. I've never seen uMofokeng doing that. Thothi game iyashisa athatha ibhola liphasa emuva aqale kahle iplay. Yabo, ukuze ke izophuma idefense. uMofokeng is that number 10 okwaziyo ukuthi ke ashoshele kiwe phambili. So when you comparing uMofokeng with ubani now uTito Maswanganyi, you get to see two different number 10s. uMofokeng is more attacking minded than uTito Maswanganyi. uTito Maswanganyi is that player okwazi ukuyiholder i-team. So namhlanje you didn't need a player like uTito Maswanganyi because i-team adedlala nayo ade defensive kakhulu. You needed a player like ubani na uMofokeng ozokwazi ukuthi ke enze i-defense yani na ye-Durban City create ama mistakes, yenze i-Durban City create ama fouls amaningi. You needed a number 10 like that in a game ade sidlala. Mara ke ucoach decided to play uMofokeng as a winger, isolating uMofokeng with the play ephanendawo. And leyo nto leyo udala bani na osunapolice akajwayela ukudlala with uMaswanganyi. Enye yezinto leyo edale i-team ingakwazi ukuthi ke idlale kahle. Lokho ukubheda kwe-Fantry okubani na okuMaswanganyi, ubani na uMofokeng noApolice ku-isolate i-striker sodwa phambili. Kubuya ngathi ke i-strikers dlali kahle kanti cha. I-striker siyawazi umsebenzi waso ukore igoli. Siyamshintsha ke uMbuthuma. Siyamshintsha uMbuthuma sifaka uMakgopa, same thing iyenzeka. Yabo. Iyenzeka, same thing iyenzeka. Mina ngishilo athi uTito Maswanganyi kule game kumele ahlale ebenchini. Yes uskorile last games, kodwa umjida uyena owenza le team le ingasheshi kakhulu. Ibhola elisheshayo siyalazi thina. Siyayazi uOrlando Pirates esheshayo ukuthi idlala kanjani. Mekoro. Bekhona uTito kulama games like Orlando Pirates wina khona ngo 5-0, 4-0. Ubengekho uTito Maswanganyi. Ubengekho besimfast second half esizopolice game. Which is a nice thing, which is a good thing. Today we needed a team that can score 4 goals, 3 goals first half. Maseke finish the game. Simple. Best thing leyo nto namhlanje. We didn't need a player ozoqalisa igame on a low, ozoyipolice game ingakaqali. Yabo. That is all I can say about today's game. And credit to goalkeeper weDurban City. I feel like besemqondisela as usual. I always say Orlando Pirates ayikwazi ukukhahlela. bavele bakhahlelela ukhipha kube ngathi ugoalkeeper ubentswembu yabo. So nje